So hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to make light blue violet color. For this we need white color, red color, Persian blue color, a container, a brush, some water. So let's get started. For this, first we will take 2 parts of white color, 1 and 2, and after that we will take 1 part of red color, like this, and after that we will take 1 part of Persian blue color, not the ultramarine blue, it's the darker one, the Persian blue, and put it. And then after that just mix all these 3 colors. So after that, mixing all the 1 part of white color more in it, and then just mix. And here is our light blue violet color. Let me just apply it on the paper so you guys also get to know much better. So here it is. So if you guys like watching the color mixing videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and you can also watch the color mixing playlist where I have made all these colors. So